how to fix your battery issues on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you're having any battery related issues, this could be your battery draining too quickly. This could also be your battery indicator displaying the wrong percentage. Basically anything that involves your battery not working as it should, then I'm going to show you exactly how we can go and fix this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is just head over to the home screen on your Nintendo Switch, and in the bottom navigation, we are going to click on System Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom on the left hand side and click on System, and then we're going to select System Update. Now, you'll need to make sure your Nintendo Switch is fully up to date. So if there are any updates here, then you'll need to go and install these now. So mine's already up to date, so I'm just going to come back out of this window. Now from the same settings page, we're going to click on sleep mode in the left hand side. You then need to go and disable and turn off these 3 auto sleep features. So I'm just going to click on this top one here and set this to never. We're going to do the same for auto sleep connected to TV. Make sure this is set to never. And also auto sleep playing media content. Make sure this is turned off and disabled. And once you've done that, you can come back out of this window. Now the final solution is you just need to go and power off your Nintendo Switch. So I'm going to hold down the power button in the top left hand side. After a couple of seconds, you'll see this window and we can click on power options and then press power off. Now once your Nintendo Switch 2 is fully shut down, what you need to do is come over to the top of the Nintendo. Now you'll see we have this volume up and the volume down button, and what we need to do is hold these 2 buttons down while pressing the power button at the same time. So I'm going to hold the volume up and I'm going to hold the volume down, and while holding these buttons, I'm just going to turn on my Nintendo Switch like this. And you need to keep holding these buttons as the Nintendo starts up, and after about 10 to 15 seconds, your Nintendo should begin starting in recovery mode. Now once you've entered recovery mode, you can then just hold down the power button once again, and I'm going to keep holding this down until eventually the Switch turns itself off. So this should take around 15 seconds. And now what we can do is just hold the power button for one final time, and your Switch should now turn on and your battery issue should now be fixed. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.